present tense, because the present tense has their 4 parts. Similarly, the past tense has their 4 parts and future tense has their 4 parts. But now I'm talking about the simple present tense where we apply like a am, is, are in present. It's a very common. So I'm giving you one of the best example and how you can become a creator of speaking English. As I have taught you, as I have guided you, as I have trained you in the previous chapter, there are only 7 sentences in the world. Like a first affirmative, second negative, third interrogative, fourth interrogative negative, fifth WH interrogative, sixth WH interrogative negative, and seventh is called the exclamatory sentence. So the exclamatory sentence we speak very less compared to other sentences. So mainly there are 6 sentences which you need to do the practice. And if you become a good practice oriented trainee, you can become a very good speaker of English. Because I have spoken so many times, the practice starts with your patience. If you have a patience, you can become a good speaker of English. Now as I am giving you training of the am, is, are. So similarly, the uses of am, is, are is different. For that you will have to go through the chart of person and number. How to apply am, is, are. So along with I, we apply am. Along with we apply are. Along with you, we apply are. Along with he, she, it, this, that, name, we apply is. Along with they, though, these, we apply are. I can give you the one of the best example that as I'm applying, I'm happy, I'm not happy, am I happy, am I not happy, how am I happy, how am I not happy. Similarly, we can speak, we are happy, we are not happy, are we not happy, how are we happy, how are we not happy. Similarly, you can speak, you are happy, you are not happy, are you not happy, how are you happy, how are you not happy. Since you is common for the all sections, either it is singular or plural. So similarly, we'll have to speak with the you. So along with he, she, it, this, that, name, we apply is. And along with they, though, these, we apply are. He is happy, he is not happy, is he not happy, how is he happy, how is he not happy. She is happy, she is not happy, is she happy, is she not happy, how is she happy, how is she not happy. This is happy, this is not happy, is this not happy, how is this happy, how is this not happy. See again, the this is with the situational. You can speak, this is happy boy, this is not happy boy, is this happy boy, is this not happy boy, how is this happy boy. Or you can create within your sentence. Similarly, that is happy, that is not happy, is that not happy, how is that happy, how is that not happy. You can apply again the situational sentence. Similarly, you can apply with the it. It again depend on the situation. You can speak the situational sentences. Like it is happy, it is not happy, is it not happy, how is it happy, how is it not happy. Similarly, you can speak with the name. You can take any name. With the name, you can instead of name, you can use some of the name. Like Ramesh is happy, Ramesh is not happy, is Ramesh happy? Is Ramesh not happy? How is Ramesh happy? How is Ramesh not happy? Similarly, we are going for the next. We can apply with the they. They are happy, they are not happy. Are they happy? Are they not happy? How are they happy? How are they not happy? You can apply with the those. Those are happy, those are not happy. Are those happy? Are those not happy? How are those happy? How are those not happy? These are happy, these are not happy. Are these happy? Are these not happy? How are these happy? How are these not happy? Now with the moment of this, if you are watching this video, so many people understand, might be I am watching the script and then I am speaking, but it is not like that. It is already fitted with my tongue. I have given so many times example of the A to Z and Z to A. So sometimes people feel, okay, might be he is watching the script and then he is speaking, but it is not like that. I can speak A to Z as a close eyes. Similarly, I can speak even with the Z to A with the close eyes. So today I am going to give you one of the best example of myself, because when I'll close my eyes, you can understand, might be really he has within him that he can speak Z to A. So today I'm just reliving myself on the, on the video, on camera, that I can close my eyes and I can speak with Z to A. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. I can speak faster than also Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So this is the way you will have to do the practice of your tongue. That your tongue should be twisted. So why I am giving you this example, you will have to twist your tongue with the help of M is R. When your tongue will be fitted with the M is R, your tongue will not allow yourself to speak anything wrong. Because whenever you want to speak, along with I, it will come M. Along with we, it will come R. Along with you, it will come R. Along with he, she, it, this, that name, it will come is. Along with they, though, these, it will come are. So as a meditational, I always say with the creation of the mouth translation only you can become a good speaker of English. As I have given you the training, as I have given you the tutorial of M is R, similarly, please be with for the next videos for the was were, shall be, will be. Similarly, this small videos will allow you to become a very good speaker of English. Thank you very much.